Hi everyone, we are Kelly and Kenna Sackett from Lee Sackett Incorporated. We are here at the Minnesota State Fair, and today's tractor spotlight is this 1920 IH 1020 Titan.
So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the gas here. We want to have this line pointing straight up. Next thing we're going to do is open the decompression valve.
Now we're going to trip the magneto.
Now we're going to prime the engine. That's good.
Now we start it. Kenna is going to be our choke, and I'll crank. Don Ondracek tried to purchase this tractor for several years before he was actually able to buy it. Another gentleman had been working on the tractor and planned to restore it himself. When Don purchased the tractor, it did not run, but supposedly the engine had been worked on. Don contacted Lee Sackett about hauling the tractor to Lee's shop and getting it running for him. A few months later, Lee's team had the tractor running. Don and his wife visited the shop in Waltham, Minnesota to hear it run. During that visit, they decided to proceed with finishing the restoration. Over the next several months, repairs were made to nearly every component of the tractor. It was disassembled and painted in pieces so that even the back sides of each part received a good coat of paint to protect it from rust. The fenders were purchased and then modified to correctly fit the tractor. After completion, Lee's young daughters mastered the 7-step process of starting the tractor, which became a fan favorite at many tractor shows. The tractor has been to shows in Minnesota, Iowa, and South Dakota.